You're up for a bit of a dance and all that sort of stuff, which is great, but there's probably songs that we've omitted that we probably shouldn't have omitted, so I'm gonna see if we can persuade the fellas to chuck a couple of extras in. We're going to do another new one from the new album, if that's alright. This is a song called Ashes. We have done it a few times. This is about a state of play. I think it's simple as that. It's just simply that, and it's an acoustic song on the record anyway. So yeah, this is called Ashes.
The river runs harsh and the river runs deep. See the mothers they weep for, the souls that it steals and it keeps. The earth opens wide, wretches its disgust. So what have we done? It's ashes to dust. So what have we done now? It's ashes to dust. This love is a gift, it's a poisonous thing. Keep your eyes on the prize, my friends. Beware its sting. Every word, every note that's been written and played before. But this melody cuts so sharp, it's a double-edged sword. This melody cuts so sharp, sharp as a double-edged sword. The forbidden shades hanging by on your wall. You're thinking your God, well, it's like on and fall. It's planet and cold, a very timely demise. The cries of our lost reptile, tears from his That's the price that we're making, my friends. Sticking a joke. The earth opens wide, wretches its disgust. What have we done? It's ashes to dust.